I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the presentation and selecting the exact slide or slide master you want to alter. Once selected, right-click the background or choose Design then Format Background to open controls. You do this because slide level versus master level changes affect all slides differently. Masters apply globally. Make sure to pick the fill type, solid, gradient, picture, texture, or pattern, so you can control contrast for text. This first step gets you into the settings where color choices and previewing happen immediately. Now focus on selecting and refining the color. Click a theme swatch or more colors to enter RGB or HEX values. You do this to match branding or accessibility needs. If you choose gradient, set stops, direction, and transparency to control depth. For picture fills, adjust scale, offset, and tile options so the image aligns. Once done, use apply to all when consistency is required. Otherwise, leave it slide-specific. These adjustments ensure legibility and visual balance throughout your deck. Finish by reviewing the slide in Slide Show View to confirm contrast and readability under presentation conditions. Make sure headings and body text remain visible. Adjust color or transparency if they don't. If your change won't apply, open Slide Master. Local formatting can override slide settings, so clear any overrides or edit the master directly. Finally, save a copy before applying changes across many slides so you can revert if needed. This sequence secures consistency and gives you a quick recovery option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.